Hey guys, I have been come back. So today we are going to explore the world of the seed. We are going to see types of reproduction, how what is reproduction and the parts of the seeds and germination conditions, what conditions are needed for germination and germination of a seed means how does a seed germinate? What happens when a seed germinates? So, let's begin to see this journey. So, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the way of producing young ones. That is known as reproduction, and that happens in plants. So, there are three ways how a plants reproduce. They are from seeds, spores, and the parts of the body of the parent plant. So, first one is of seeds. If we keep in the soil, then the seed will grow. That we commonly know. So, the second one is spores. So, what is spore? We are going to learn about this. And the third one is the growth from the different parts of the body of the mother plant, of the parent plant. So you can see a plant, baby plant, growing on the leaves of the mother plant. So first one, what is it? And that one is seed. You know that inside fruit we have seed, and inside the fruits they have only one seed or many seed. They may have many seed or few seed. So the example are mango, rice and wheat. There are many examples. There are apple, chiku, pomegranate, papaya and many more. There are many seeds that can be planted very easily. So you know that how seed is planted, and inside flowers, fruits will be, and the fruits have seeds. So let's go to the next one. The next one is spores. So what is spores? There are some plants named fern and moss. They don't have flowers. So they don't have seeds. So how do they grow? They grow from spores. A spore is a small cell that help in these plants' reproduction. So who are the two plants who bear seeds? They are fern and moss. What are they? Fern and moss. So let's go to the next one. As I told, some plants grow from the parts of their parent plant. So what are they? They are sweet potato. So this sweet potato grow under the soil near the root of the parent plant. And this plant's name is bryophyllum. This plant grows from the side of the mom leaf, then it falls down, then it grows on its own. And the interesting fact is, this plant needs less care. So the next one is rose. The rose is cutted. So these rose and money plant by the cutting of the stem of the plant. And now we are going to know about the parts of the seed. So here you can see the seed coat, food store, embryo shoot and embryo root. So what is this embryo? This embryo is actually the baby plant. And the food store, here food store is written. This food store is actually cotyledons. And here the seed coat. What is the work of the seed coat? The seed coat protects the seed. And the seed coat is very hard. And the embryo, as I told, this embryo is a small plant. And the small plants grow from embryo only. So what is this cotyledon? Cotyledon is the food. Because the baby plant can't make food because it doesn't have roots, it doesn't have leaves. So it needs food. So cotyledon is the food of it. And now we are going to know about the things we need for germination. We know that we need water, air and sunlight for it. But why are they used? Water. Water is used to soft the seed coat because the embryo should come out and turn into a plant. That's why seed coat should be soft. So water is used to soften up the seed coat and gives an extra food for the baby plant. So air. The air is needed to breathe. The embryo can breathe. Embryo needs oxygen to breathe. Like how we need oxygen, in that way embryo needs oxygen. So air is very important. And sunlight. As all plants need sunlight, seeds will not germinate, will not grow if they don't get sunlight. And now we are going to know that how does a seed germinate? What happens in that time? The seed takes the water and that helps the embryo to grow bigger. So when it grows bigger, so a small root named radicle goes down to the soil and a small shoot, yani a small plant named plumule grows upwards and it turns into a baby plant. Then it will soon grow into an adult plant. So, the down part, the thing that grows down, is a radicle, and radicle is a small baby root, and which grow upwards is known as plumule, and it is a small shoot that grows upwards. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love.